I gave you my heart.
Hello friends, today we are going to unbox Panasonic ER207WK. This trimmer is a beard and hair trimmer. So without wasting our time, let's unbox it. So friends, here we can see the user manual, and this is the oil, and this is the brush of the trimmer, and here we can see the charger, which is 220 to 240 watts, and it's a cord which is 107 meters, and this is our trimmer. Very good finishing with good color combination with black and red, and this is the on off button, and here we can see the size adjustment, and this size adjustment is still 1 to 18, and this is the removable, and at the bottom we can see the charging port. Talk about its price is somewhere till 1,880. So friends, if you are going to buy a trimmer, I definitely suggest you to buy this Panasonic trimmer, because it has a very good performance and very good quality. You can definitely go and buy it. So friends, thanks for watching our video, and I'll meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye, stay home, stay safe.
Oh well.